how to link your YouTube channel with your Roblox account. So in this video I will show you how to do this. Just follow me till the end and don't forget to subscribe, also to like the video. First, when Roblox opening, you have to come here to this 3 point. Right now you have to come to your settings and account information. So here you will wait and you will find like a lot of options. You have to scroll down to social networks and you will find here YouTube, and you will type your link YouTube channel. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe. You know what, and I'll see you in another video.